Look at that. The beard's coming in nice.
The best a man can get.
It's coming in nice, yo. All right, guys. Day 5 in my Alt Gillette series. Now, earlier this month, some of you expressed interest, big time interest, in leaving Gillette. You asked for it, you got it. So I gave you 5 blades to help you get over Gillette. Now, don't worry if you missed one. In the description box below, I'll leave you links to all the videos from this week, all 5 choices. Now, let's wind it down with day number 5 and my favorite, B-Man, you got it right, my favorite razor and my favorite consumer product to date, Philips Norelco's One Blade. Check this out. Now, if you know nothing about One Blade, you're probably going to be thanking me, because One Blade is what I would consider a hybrid razor. It's got this cartridge style blade here, but it's an electric razor. So it's got the benefits of electric power and a cartridge that can be easily replaced. Now, what's really nifty about One Blade, guys, is this blade right here. I found it impossible to get nicked or cut, scratched, or irritated. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to work for everyone the same way, but for the most part, there's no fear, no irritation, no nicks, no cuts, no scrapes. You can get into the nooks and crannies of your face, like under my big nose, around your lips. And the best part of One Blade is it gets rid of long stubble and beards better than it does shorter hair. With a traditional bladed razor, like let's say this Harry's, once the stubble gets pretty long, getting that first pass of hair, you get caught up, you get snagged, it hurts. One Blade just easily and quickly gets rid of that. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check it out yourself. But One Blade is awesome. What I do with One Blade, guys, at the end of the day, I use it as that first pass of shaving. Or if I'm going to be casual and I want like a little bit of the Don Johnson look. Because One Blade does not get as close as your traditional bladed razor. So you give up the closeness of a shave, you know, that baby smooth shave, for a device that won't nick you, that won't cut you, that won't irritate you in any way, shape, or form. Now, One Blade retails anywhere from the mid-20s to close to $40, depends on when you get it. I have a link below so you can check it out on Amazon. You'll be doing yourself a favor and you'll be doing me a favor. And they also have a face and body kit. Comes with an attachment that allows you to manscape in those personal private areas. So you get multiple uses for your One Blade. You know, a couple of years ago when I started doing shaving reviews, I just kind of stumbled upon the One Blade. And I had always been a Gillette man. But I saw this packaging in the store and I was like, this is... If you know anything about me, you know I'm a sucker for marketing. So I saw this packaging in the store and it really has opened up a world for me, guys. Now, the fact that you may be looking at an alternative to Gillette will introduce you most likely to your DE shaver, your wet shave. You may test a product like Harry's, or you're introduced to Schick. But you know, there's so many different types of shaving brushes and creams and lotions. We're becoming metrosexuals, but it's actually kind of fun. And really, if you're into the shaving game, you'll learn better technique and you'll enjoy it. Maybe something that you'll hand down to your son. But at the end of the day, you may find yourself coming back to Gillette. They do make a hell of a razor, guys. All right, I want to thank you all for watching. I'm going to let Digital Tony take it away for one last time. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, keep pushing play. The best a man can get. I'm a man. I'm a man. And I'm going to shave like a man.